Hello, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to change a brush in Philips HomeRun 7000. First, flip your vacuum, but for safety I'll use some kind of cloth. Okay, flip it. And here you have two buttons that need to be pushed simultaneously and pulled up. Oh, okay. Now take this thing off and pull out your brush. That's it. Now you can clean it. And to install, first put the right side and now click the left one. Put this lid on and push. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.